Hi, welcome to Go Digital website. And in this video, we're going to learn how to make a simple search engine website using the site builder with no extra cost from Go Digital website. And in order for us to make a simple search engine website, we have to make sure that our website is fully secure. They have a logo, they have as well a favicon, and have the about, a blog, products and services, and as well a contact page. And this is how the website is going to look. So we're going to have our services section here, and this is the home page. And as well, we're going to have a button back to the blog. And as well, we're going to have the buttons back, the call to action to the about us. And as well, we're going to have legal pages. And as well, this website is going to be mobile friendly. So this website is mobile friendly, and as you can see, we can reduce the size and we'll go depending on the mobile size. And this is how the website is a responsive design made with the site builder. And we're going to follow according to this website planning, we're going to follow the call to action for SEO, the call to action SEO diagram. And as well, we're going to follow the information website layout. So we're going to gather our information from here, and then we're going to design our site. So we pass all the information, we pass from the information site layout, we pass it through our website, and this is how we come up with this website right here. Okay, if you want to learn more about how to make the website, or if you want to hire a web designer, I am going to include links on how to hire a web designer. Or if you want to finish watching this video, you can learn how we do a simple search engine website. Just stay till the end. This video is part 2, and we also have a part 1. And if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video series, you can go ahead and click the link at the bottom of this video and follow up, and then go see the part 1. And if you haven't seen our website planning, SEO website planning, also click the link so you can learn more about the SEO website planning, which is this one here. So we have a video specific on this, the SEO website planning 101. You are more than welcome to watch this video. So how we do this, the plan for the website according to SEO guidelines. So we're going to go ahead and get started on making our website. And we're going to do it step by step. Just stay to the end so you can watch how we do this website. Hi, welcome back to video part 2 of how to make a simple search engine website. And we're just going to continue, and we're going to keep following our SEO website planning 101. And as you can see here, we're still working in the front page, which is this one here. We have covered until this section right here. So now we're going to put like a products. We're going to include these 2 products here, and as well we have to include this section here for the about us here to the buttons. And as well, we're going to, and then after that, we're going to follow up and continue with the about us page. So we're going to get started, and we're going to add new content here. And we're looking for columns. So these columns right here, so they only have content here. Okay, so let's go back here to the banners, contents. So this content, so we have let's look this up here. So it's 2 columns here, 2 different columns, and we have to find the content for 2 columns. So we have this one here, and we have this one, and as well this one, and this one has, So we can include this one and include the two products and include our description with this here. And then we're gonna get so we got this section here, and then we're gonna put our products here. And right here, we're gonna add our button for the products page. And we're gonna go ahead and go to designs, and then we're gonna open in a new window the products page so we can copy and paste the products link. Okay, so we're just gonna copy, then we're gonna go back here, then we're gonna close, we're gonna go back to more info, and then we're gonna include the link right here. Okay, and then right here we're gonna put our products, and then we're gonna save changes. So we have this, and then right here we're gonna go and get these two products right here, and then we're going to go visit our folder for our images, and here it is. So we're looking for this product here, and then we're going to optimize. So we must optimize. So to optimize our images, we're gonna go visit image compressor, and we're gonna get our images, which are these two here, and then we're gonna drop them here. And then we're gonna download. And as you can see, we got the product 1 and product 2. This is gonna be for Windows, and this is the cleaning for everything. So we're gonna include, but as you can see here, we just put the two products as here, and then we're gonna choose the image. So we're gonna come here, upload the image, and this one here. And this one, we're gonna choose the image as well. And then we're gonna upload the image. It's gonna include them there, okay? So over here, you have to change the description, whatever description you may have from over here. It all depends, 20 to less words, the less or 20 words or more. And then you're just gonna have it like that, okay? So now in this section, we're gonna include the subject to the company goal or the about us page, okay? So we're going to, you see like this one is here. So we're finding for something that has to do with that, okay? So if you think that this color here, you can change it, you can change the text color as well, okay? So make sure you save the changes. And we're going to add a new content area. So just bear with me, we're gonna find for this content area. So we got this one here. So let's go here. So this could be the about us, the similar to the about us, but we only have two buttons here. So we're looking for something else with only one button. This can represent our about us, and we only use one image here or something that, let's go here, or maybe this one. Okay, so we're gonna include this one here, and then we're gonna put learn more about us. And right here, that's gonna include the page. So we're gonna go to the settings, and then we're going to open a new site, a new window, and then we're gonna copy, and then we're gonna paste in this button right here, the about us page here. Okay, so now we're gonna go like this, about, and then save changes. And then this image, we're going to change it for another image in our folders. Let's check. So we had 3 different images in our folder, so we can choose one here, or if you want to include all 3 of them, you can do that as well. But we're just going to put this image right here, okay? So it all depends, however, how complicated you want your website. You can always look for the content. And if you're looking for like a 3-1 here, let's go for teachers. And they have different ones here. So like this one, they have 3 different ones. I can include it here, or something like this different, or maybe this one, or something like this. Whatever you find and like this, you can choose the best module that will fit your needs. Over here, we got the same here, 3 different descriptions, but we have one image here, and this one the same. So I'm trying to look if they have one with 3 different images, like this one, see. Okay, so now this one has 3 images here, something similar, and we can include this if we want, like this, you know. So there's many ways how you can design the website. You just have to find the best module or the best block that can fit your or suit your needs for building your website, okay? So right now we're just gonna go with this one, and then we're gonna change so we're going to optimize. So we're going to optimize this image here. So it's this one here, and we're going to go to our image compressor. And we're going to download. And then we're going to swap this image for the already optimized image. And here is the image here. And they can visit from here. So we are done with the front page. And now we're going to get started and doing our services page. This is our next page that we're going to start working on. And then we're going to work on our products page. And then we're going to work on about us page. And as well, we have to work in the contact page, okay? It's very important that we work in the contact page, because when we submit to the search engine, it's important that we match our information and that we have a form. This way, the people, they have any questions or they want to speak about their services or get any pricing, they can do it over the contact form, all right? Okay, so let's go to the settings page, and then we're gonna go to the services, and then we're gonna open in a new tab. So now we're going to start working on the services page, and we're gonna get started with one of these banners. We can use the same one that we use for the other one, but not necessarily we have to use the same one. We can use this other one as well. We have 2 buttons here, and that's what we need, 2 buttons, okay? So this one also looks good. It could also, so we only have 3 different banners, and I think we're gonna use this one just to make it look a little bit different. And let's go here. So for the services page, let's go back to our SEO planning. So we have the about us, but we're gonna skip to the services page. So we have this cover image here, and then we're gonna include that same one, okay? But it's gonna be on the site, and then we're gonna swap it up. And we already have it here. It's already been optimized. We're gonna change it, and it's gonna look like that. And this is our services page. This is our services page. And now here, we're going to have this one here. Without the index, you don't have to include the index, okay? So we're gonna go like this here. And let's go to the services, and then include this one here. And then we're gonna put just like that, so they can come back to the home page, okay? So this is going to be your home page here. or you can put home page, front page, and right here, so let's look what we have here in our services. So we're gonna have the blog news here. The blog news, or we can go here, the blog, okay, so they have the services here, service one, the blog news, so we include the blog news, and let's see. So right here, they have to have the contact us instead, okay? So we're gonna move this button here, and it's gonna put contact. And right here, we're gonna include this service and the blog news here, and then we're gonna include the contact on the bottom here. Got questions? Questions? We have answers. Something like that, okay? So we can include it like this here, and then we're going to start continue with the services page. And then this one have to be the blog news. So we're going to go to the settings, and then we're gonna go open the blog in a new tab. And then we're gonna hit blog here. And let's go here. Let's go blog services, and then we're gonna click here. And this one we're gonna change, okay? So we're gonna go like this, enter the blog, and then we're gonna call it blog like this. And save changes. Don't forget to save the changes, okay? So over here, we also got the contact up here. So now we're gonna delete this one here. So we can include this on the top because this is good for SEO, this part right here. This is the breadcrumbs here. Every time you go from the home, they visit here. And if you don't, sometimes if you don't want the customers to they want to know how to get to the home, you can change this title just simply to say home like this, okay? And simple as that, okay? So they can come back and go back to the home page, okay? All right, so this part right here, so now we come with these three images here for the services. So we're gonna find something that we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go to this one. Let's go here, the three services. So we can include this. So I'm looking for one more that have this here, okay? So for that one, maybe this one here, okay? So we can include this one, but that one had three images, okay? So now we're gonna do it with the three images. So like this one here, okay? So maybe we're gonna use this one now. So this is gonna be our services. So right here, we're gonna include this one here. So we're gonna delete this one here. So we can simply delete this and go like this, save changes, and then we're gonna include cleaning services. Whatever your services are about, you just have to put it up like that, okay? So we're gonna put it as is right here. So then we're gonna here move this to cleaning windows. And then right here, so now we're going to change the images here. So we're gonna get this image. So we already have these images here. So we're gonna get the windows. We're gonna get the outdoor. This one for the outdoor. And this one for the indoor. So we have this one here, and then we're gonna include it here. And now this other image, we're gonna swap it up, and then we're gonna include this one here. So this is how the website is looking on this side for the services. And now this part right here, let's look it up here. So now we have these services, we've done this part here. And now we have to include this other part here for the contact us. And then we have to look for the call to action. So now that we're looking for a call to action, we're just gonna dump this one here, and then we're gonna get started here. And then we're gonna look for a call to action. So this could be like the contact information. This could be your telephone. You can also include this one in every single page, okay? So this way they have your telephone, your email, and as well the address and the city. But for right now, we're gonna go with this other one here, the one we did, this one here. And then we're gonna include it here. And then we're gonna copy and paste this one here. Then we're gonna go to the services. We're gonna copy and paste this one. Okay, so before we go ahead and keep going on this, it's very important for the SEO that we have to have this part right here, okay? So we have to fix this H2 here. So remember, this is gotta be H2, this is H1. So for this, let's go check here. So H1, then going back down to H1, then going down to H2 here. It's very important for the SEO that if we're gonna go from H1 to H1, then H2 here, then H3 here, or we can change this to H2 here, okay? So let's go here. So we have to go like this. So it went to H1, so now it's H2, okay? So now it's H2, so we have to just simply click, go through the different formats one by one, until we go back to the first one and the second one, okay? So this is H2 right here. And we go like that, okay? So make sure that when we're doing the SEO, the other part for the SEO, the other video, we're gonna revise this section here that we're not missing our H1s and our H2s, because if we're missing something here, as I explained in the website planning, we're gonna have a problem to optimize our website, okay? Got question, we have answers, and then we're gonna click here, and then we're gonna go to the contact, and then we're gonna open the contact page. And let's copy this and go to the services. Let's close this one, and then right here, and we're gonna click here, and then we're gonna go to the contact. And right here is gonna be the contact page, and then save changes right here. Okay, so this is how our website looks right now for the services page, okay? And now we either can do the products page, and then we do the about us page at the end, okay? And also we have to do the contact page. So now we're going to do the about, excuse me. We're going to do the products page. So as we can have here, this is the H1 here, and now we're gonna add our new content here. And it's gonna be the same as this one here, the about, and this one we can put this other side, okay? So this is the products, this is H1, this one is H1, and this one we're gonna change the image, okay? So we're gonna go back to this image, save the image, and let's check what we got here. For our products, so we got the blog news and the front page as well. So it's going to be Okay, so we already had this one, so this one is here. Okay, so it's important that we save the changes. Okay, so we're gonna save the changes, and we have to change this other one. So we got to put the front page. So we're going to include the home, save changes like this. And over here, we're going to include the blog. So we're going to go visit the blog someplace here. We got this, we copy. And then we come here. Then we change this into the blog. And then we go blog like this. So this is how we got it here for the products page, and you can always change this whatever you may have, okay? So according to your, so if you want to change the colors, just come here and do it like that, okay? And then save changes. Okay, so let's look our product page. So it's gonna be similar to this other one. And then right here, we're gonna include the contact us again, okay? Got questions, we got answers, okay? Just like that. And then the button, contact. And it's very similar of the services one. So let's go to products, and then we're gonna find for this section that we were looking for the features. So we got something like this, two different products. So we're gonna include like something like this, or let's say, let's keep looking. Let's keep looking what will be better for us, okay? So this is like 3 products, looking for like 2 products here. So this one, 2 images. So this one, no. And so maybe this one here, and we're just going to include this one. They have for 2 images. And our products, we're going to delete this one here. So as mentioned before, these modules and these blocks, they are pretty basic. So we're gonna change the image. Let's see, if maybe this will have to change for a different one, okay? So it all depends. Okay, so see, I think it's gonna work. And let's go come here, and then this one here, and save changes. So we got these products here. One image is larger than the other, but it's okay. We can go through that. And this is gonna be indoor, like indoor cleaning products. And right here we can do window cleaning products. And then we save, and then we save this here, okay? So as you can see, this is H5. And right here, you can delete this part here. Let's see if we can delete this button. So we trash this button here, and we're removing the button, okay? So we don't need this button right here, and just put it like that. Unless you're gonna have a product and you wanna sell the product, but this is like informational website for cleaning, and you just wanna show up your cleaning products, okay? So we're gonna put cleaning products. And just like that, okay? And now this section here, we have to look for the section, the call to action section that we're going to include right here. The call to action. So we can include this call to action so they can call you up over the phone and all this in every single page, okay? So we can start doing that right now, but let me do this other one here. Just put this one here. And then we're gonna trash this one. And let's go like this, okay? And we're just gonna copy and paste. Then we're gonna save. So this is H4. So remember the H1s, the H2s here. We have to double check on this. So this is H1. So this is going to be H2 here. And it's better that we just stay with the H2s here, okay? So we're just gonna go H6, H1, and H2 here. So we don't get too confused for this, okay? Too many H1, H2, just from H1 to H2, okay? So we come here, and this way we don't have too much confusion. So H1 and H2 here, okay? And right here, we're gonna include the contact button. And first, we gotta go here, copy, and the products, and right here, we're gonna include the contact, and let's go here, contact, and save changes. Okay, so we got this, and now right here, we're going to include this other button right here, the call to action, okay? So we want to have all this information. Right here, you can include the link to the Google Maps in all of your pages, okay? So we can do that. So just save this. You can change all this information, and including you can put like a background photography if you want to do it. But we're not gonna do it. We're just gonna leave it as is, and we can change the color. And if you don't want to do this, you can change the color to a different color if you may. So let's go check for this other one. So it was kind of dark color, and let's do this one here. So this one, it looks like this now, okay? So we can do that as well, and then we're gonna save the changes. So this is our product page now. And remember, you need to edit this. So we got it like this. Support and then the email, okay? Like this, and then save changes. You can include your address as well here, or you can include your phone number and just include the location, address, or something that you want people come visit your location. Or if you don't want them to locate you, you can always get rid of this section here, okay? You can delete this section and this section here. But if you're gonna be doing it for the search engine optimization and the Google Maps, they have to match this address that you're gonna have in the contact page, so you can be search engine through the Google Maps, okay? So it's very important you match your address with the one you put in your Google Business profile. Okay, so this is going to be the products page, and let's go back to the services page, and then we're going to include this call to action, okay? The same one. So we're going to click the button here, this call to action, and then we're going to include this one here. We're going to change the color, and we choose this one, and it's going to be as that, okay? So just in case you want people to know your number, you have them here with your number every single page. They can call you up right away, okay? So they can email you, or as well, they can know where your location is located as well. If they wanna go into your office or something, they can do that by just going to your address, okay? All right, so this is going to be, and then we're gonna go to the home page, and then we're going to include this same one here. So we have these services here, and right here, this is where we're gonna include this call to action, okay? And then we're gonna change our color. It's just like that, okay? So this is how our website is looking right now. And this, so we're going to go back to the settings. So we did the products, we did the services, and now we have to do the about us. So we have to go to the about, and we're still working on this one here. We have to get started on this one. So we're gonna go like this here. So we're going to choose a header. We can go ahead and do this one, the same as the other one. And then this about us. And let's go check it out, what we got in our website plan. Let's go to the about us and let's see what we got here. So we got the front page and the contact us page buttons on the top, and then we're gonna have the blog news on the bottom. Okay. So in this one, we're gonna go different. So the buttons here, you have to include the about. Let's see, we can change this. We take care of cleaning services for residential and commercial, just like that, okay? So let's go here and let's click save changes. Or you can just go like this, okay? And simple as that. You don't have to put 20 words. We can do it with less words sometimes, okay? So we have it like this. Cleaning services for residential and commercial. We're going to change this button for the home page. So we're gonna go to the home. Let's go here for the about, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna put home. So they can come back to the home. It's very important that you include the home page, because remember, we don't have the home page button up here in the navigation system. So it's very important that we put in the main pages, we include the home page, okay? Button here, because we don't include it here, because if we put it in the navigation, it's gonna go against the SEO guidelines for search engine optimization, okay? So it's very important that you include the home here and the main pages, because if they want to come back to the home page, they can simply click here and they just go back to the home page, okay? So now they contact us here, and then we're gonna go from here. And then by here, and then save changes, okay? So it's very important that you follow the guidelines for search engine optimization. This way you have the business coming into your door much faster. So when you do a business that is on demand, you don't have to do too much spending on marketing or ads or anything, because they're just searching for these services. It's on demand, all right? And cleaning services, it basically is in demand all the time. Okay, so let's go from the about us. Then we have to go to the SEO website planning, and let's go here. So we're going to have the about us here. So we're going to have the different images that represent your business. So you can include so we're going to include this call to action right here, the same one. We're going to include it here, and then we're going to change this color. And as well here, we're going to go for the features, and then we're going to look for so let's go here, maybe this can represent, you can do window cleaning, this is the about us, or let's go do the one with the 4 images. So we can do this here, and let's go here, cleaning products, so let's find this here. Something that can represent this little bit of your information in your website, okay? Something that we can manage and move really fast, you know. So we got this one here. Let's go find the other one. So this one don't got no images, so we got this one again. And so we're looking for 3 images. We might use this one here. So we got the about us here, and then we're going to do, so we got the about our cleaning services, about our cleaning solutions. So we're gonna erase this here. We don't need this here. And we're just gonna go here. So this is H2 here. So we got the about us, the H1, and then we go for H2 here. And then right here, we're gonna change the images. Something that represents your business. So it's gonna be cleaning the windows. And this other one here, cleaning indoors and cleaning outdoors. It's gonna put here cleaning windows. And cleaning outdoors. So this is what we got here, and let's go look for the other one here. Let's go the what we got in the right here. So now we're going to put the mission. So now you're going to include an image for your mission here. So let's find for this one here. So we are in the about, and we're finding for a new block. So we're gonna have for like a different call to actions. Let's see, this one can be, we can use the different call to actions. So our mission, and then we can put it like this here. This can look like a mission here. And let's go here. So we can, let's see. So then we're gonna have the blog news on the bottom, and then we can do with the same one. We can use the same one for this same one here, and just include the, so we're going to change the image, and we're gonna go this one here. And then you're gonna include our mission, just include it here. Our mission, and then over here you have to include the block somehow and just get rid of this one button. So you trash one button, and this one we're gonna turn it into the block here. And here we go. And save changes. Okay, so you can include your mission here. You want to change the text color and just save changes. You can include your mission here. And this is how the About Us page will look like, okay? You can get rid of this one here if you want. This is have the About here, tell you what page you are visiting here. And if you want to go to the home, you can go from here, because we already have this section here with the home button. These pages, this pre-made design here, they will give you the home button here for search engine optimization already. But I made this already here. This way we can go back to the home. So not necessarily we want to need to have this, because it's already down here. So if you don't like it, or if you don't want like this hero image here, we have to change the hero image. So let's change the hero image. So we put it here. So for example, if you think that you don't like to have the hero image like here, and you rather have something simple like up here, you can do either one. So right here, we're gonna delete this one, okay? So I like this one better. And then we're gonna go for the services as well. We have the button for the home already here. So we're gonna delete here, okay? So just to explain you how we do the products as well. And we have this thing here, and then we're gonna remove here because we have this call to action here, navigation, easy navigation through here, okay? So let's go here. And then the blog, they have this one here. This is different, but let's go. We're gonna have a video about making our blogs. So just bear with me on the blog section here. You don't have to do pretty much here, but make sure if you want to do blogs about your products and about the different services that you may offer, the just watch this other video that I'm going to include in the bottom of the video. I'm going to include a link to watching this video, okay? So make sure you watch this other video. Okay, so let's go here, and now we have to do the contact. Okay, over here in our contact form, contact page, we must have the contact form, our address right here as well. And as well, we're going to have a map here that I chose for the larger map, the module here. But when we first begin this website, because this is just a mock-up, we made up this address here. So in order for us to work our map, it's important that we put a real address. So it's important that you have a real address in this map. If you want people visiting your location, whether you must have the service in your location, or you want people to come and ask questions to your location, or anything that has to do with your business, could be a restaurant, could be a hair salon, could be insurance. There's many different type of businesses that requires people to come visit your location, and that is why it's important that you have a real address to your location. Therefore, people can visit you when they visit the contact us page. They visit your page here, and they find out how to get to your location. And the first thing that we're going to do, I find out in the internet this actual address for a business location someplace. And the first thing that we have to do here is we're going to go to the settings, and we have to do the contact information, and this one is like this, okay? So we're going to go like this, and then we're going to type here, and then it's going to be like this here. Just double check the zip code, and here we go. And now we have to make sure that this address is correct. We're going to save changes, and then we're going to come here to the map, and then we're going to manage module, and then we're going to click save changes. So it's important that this map is actually working, with the real address. And if you want to change the design, you can do that as well. They have this other design here, and they have this other design here for change design. They have this other one, and they have this one here. Let's go back here. Let's go back to this design. So you see, viewing a larger map, you can have it like this. And another way to have more visitors, you have to go include this link right here. And we're going to put a call to action button. And then we're simply going to look for a call to action. And this one looks pretty good. And then we're going to add it down here. And then you're going to say visit us. Visit us, visit our location, just like that. And then you can add the address here. If you want to do the address right here, you can do it. And then we're simply gonna go to this address right here, and we're just going to type it in our Google search. And then we're gonna go visit here, and then we're gonna find directions. Whatever your location might be, they're gonna come here, and then you click right here, and then we're gonna share or embed map. We're gonna click here, and then we're gonna get copy link for the send a link, and then we're gonna come here, and then we're gonna change this location here. We're gonna put the link right here, just like that, and then open in a new page like this, and then we're gonna go, or we're gonna put directions here, just like that, and then we're going to save changes. And this is going to be our new button for directions. So they're going to have this map here, whether they can view it and make a view larger map so they can see where how to get to your place. And as well, they can have a button with the directions button where they're going to click here, and then they're going to find a map to the GPS over their mobile, the phone, and they simply gonna get the GPS address how to get to your location or something like this. Okay, and this is go like that, and that's for that. And more to this here, you have to make sure this address here as well is the correct address. So it's very important that you have a correct address if you want people to visit your location. Okay, and then we're gonna go like this, and just like that, and then we're gonna change this here, and simple as that. And then we're gonna click save changes, and if you want to change the color, you can simply change the color of this lettering here, and just like that. Okay, so you have this here already here, and as well you have a call to action for directions. And now we have to make sure our contact form is working properly. And right now, as we see it, we have the full name, the email, the subject, the message, but we're going to include more stuff here. So this is our contact form, and for us, with sometimes the customers, they want to able to upload something, maybe an agreement or something. When it's business to business, maybe a W-9 form or something for an employee or something, or maybe you're working business to business and they're gonna create a W-9 form. And this having the upload button here is very important so they can send the upload the form or something like this. Okay, so it's important that you have that, and as well you have the text area and the email, and as well you want to include something else here. They could be like the date or anything. The text area, we can include the text area here, and then you can make it edit this part here. And text area, you can put phone number, and just make it, you can make it require or not require, applies changes, and they can include the text field. Okay, so we're mistaken this one by the text field, so we can put the text field here, and just like that, we edit, and then we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna put phone number, and the validation email URL. So it's just like that. Okay, so whether you want to make it a URL, sometimes you ask for a website, but right now we're just going to put it like that. None, for the people just type in their phone number. And then we're gonna click Save Changes, and they have many different more. The header, so they have like a header here. This one here. So they have the upload, the menu, the different options, and just play around for the different things. And over here for the form properties, the action is gonna go straight to your email that you include here when we first started. You can see that in our part 1 of the video. And as well, we're gonna do a thank you message. Thank you. We appreciate your interest in contact in us. And then we going to get back to you as soon as possible. And just like that. So you have this here, and then it's important that you have this here. So if you want to include like an action email or something, this will provide here, but you already have the action here, and you just put it as the email here if you want to have something else other than your email when you first started. And then you're going to simply go here, verification code. It's important that you have the verification code here, okay? Because with this verification code, you're not gonna get any spammers. The bots, they're not gonna come here and they're gonna try to spam your site. So this is like the spam protection verification code to verify that the person is gonna write to you is not a robot. So it's important that you have this verification code active. And as you can see, you have the phone number, the full name, the email, the subject, and the message. And if they want to upload an agreement, a form, or something that has to do something legal, they can do it through the browse here, and they can find and upload something here to your email. And so this is it for the contact us page, and it's important that you also include the direction call to action. This way people can find you, or they can search you, and they can go in the GPS and they can find you to your direct location, and they can visit you or something like this. Okay guys, so this is the contact us form, the contact us page, and the form, and your address, the map picture, the map image here, so they can get a general idea how to get to your place. And as well, they have the call to action direction, where they simply gonna click here, and they're gonna be directed to a GPS, a Google Maps GPS, and simply as that, they can just follow up in the GPS and get to your place. Okay guys, so this is the contact us. And now, as it is right now. So this is the part that we have here to do the terms of use and the privacy policy. So we have to do this here, and we're gonna go do that right now. So we go to the settings. So we go to the terms of use, open in a new. So this is the term of use here. So we have this here, and then you have to include here this. Right here you can include anything you want. Here you can include a picture of your license. You can include, let's go objects. You can include a video or something, or whatever you may want. This is what it's a table, or an image of your license, or you can simply go, let's go here back, and just tell everyone that the term of use here, this is fully licensed. We might charge for electronic or cash or something like this every time we provide the service and all this. So you include all these terms of service, okay? So you include this here. And right here for the privacy policy, this is going to be your privacy policy. This is just a template. So This is how you do it here. And in the other video for the SEO, we are going to do the privacy policy. So we're gonna try to do one really fast, and this way we can just copy and paste, and we're gonna go over this, okay? So let's go here, and then let's close all the windows. I think we are done for now. And let's go close all the windows here. Let's close here, and then we are going to log out. So this is live, and then log out. And this is our site right here. So this is our website here. As you can see, this is our website already here for our cleaning services. And this is how we got it. We go to the products. And this is how we got our products here page. We go to the contact. And then we go to the services. And this is our page right here. Okay, guys, so we're done designing this website, the Simple Search Engine website. And if you are wanting to learn how to do the SEO, make sure they watch the SEO other video that I'm going to include the link on the bottom of this video for SEO and as well for blog. Make sure to watch these other parts of how to optimize your search engine content and as well your blog, and make sure that you watch these other videos that I'm going to include in the bottom of this video. And I hope you are able to accomplish in making your simple search engine website, and have a beautiful day, guys.